from NCERT book class 10th chapter number 3 linear equation in two variable exercise 3.6. In that question number 2, formulate the following problem as a pair of equation, hence find their solution. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Now here what we have to suppose first, we have to find the speed of rowing of still water, still water, and the speed of the current water. Now first of all we'll suppose this still water and current water x and y. Okay, so let us do it. So let the speed of Ritu in still water equal to x km/h and the speed of the Ritu of the current equal to y km/h. Therefore the still water means stop water and current water means water flow. Okay, now Ritu, we are given that Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Now what is the meaning of downstream? Just see here. Downstream means the flow of both and the water flow in same direction. Okay, that is in the same direction, so it will be x plus y. We have to plus here. And upstream means this, the flow of boat and flow of water is different, so we have to minus here. So x plus x minus y. Okay, now you had given that Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. So how we can write this? First of all we have to suppose that the speed in downstream equal to x plus y km/h and the speed in upstream equal to x minus y km/h. Okay, the speed in downstream and upstream I had supposed. Now in the statement it is given that Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. Now here we have to use one formula, that is speed equal to distance upon time. Okay, speed we have to find, so that we have to do, that is distance upon time. So what we can do, first equation is x plus for the downstream, right? So we are using x plus y equal to kilometer it is given, so 20 distance it is there and time is 2 hours. So 2 ones are 2 tens are, therefore x plus y equal to 10, first equation. And for the second equation, upstream 4 km in 2 hours, upstream means x minus y, so x minus y equal to 4, distance is 4 and time is 2, so 2 ones are 2 twos are, so therefore x minus y equal to 2, second equation. Okay, now what we have to do, we'll adding 1 and 2, so therefore x plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 2, cancel, 2x equal to 10 minus 2 is 8, so x equal to 8 upon 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are, therefore x equal to 4 is the answer. Now we have to find the value of y, so substituting x equal to 4 in equation 1, so x plus y equal to 10, 4 plus y equal to 10, so y equal to 10 minus 4, so y equal to 6. So x and y we got the value. Okay, now whichever we had supposed, we have to write it down. The speed of Ritu in still water is x kilometer, means 4 kilometer per hour, and the speed of the current water equal to y kilometer per hour, means y means 6 kilometer per hour. At last I am writing, thus the speed of rowing in still water is 6 kilometer per hour and current is 4 kilometer per hour is the answer. Now see the second one. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. So here whichever we have to find, we have to suppose. So what we will suppose, the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work be x. Okay, the time taken by one man alone to finish the work equal to y days. So let us write it down. Now here what we have given, now for the one day how many work they had finished, we have to suppose that work done by a woman in one day. Okay, how? Just see the concept, that if you had given to read a book of that 3 pages, okay, and you had given 3 days for read the book of only 3 page and 3 days. So for in one day how many page we have to finish? See, always write the total on the denominator. How many days are there? 3, and we have to read 1 page. Okay, so 1/3 part of that page, 3 pages, they can read in one day. Okay, now if you want, you can change this as, if you had given 5 pages to read in 5 days. Okay, so in one day how many pages can read? 1/5. Total we are writing on denominator. So let us see. So work done by a woman in one day. In one day, 1/x, total days is x, total we have to write in denominator, and work done by a man in one day, 1/y. Okay, 1/y, y days. Now we have to form the equation that, now this one you had given 2 women and 5 men can together finish it in 4 days. Okay, 2 women means 2 into 1/x, so 2/x plus 5 men, so 5 into 1/x, so 5/y equal to this 1 total days is 4. So this is equation 1. Also 3 women and 6 men can be finished it in 3 days. This is also given, so 3 into 1/x, 3/x plus man is 6, so 6/y equal to total days is 3, so total here 1/3, so 2. Now with the reducible method, let 1/x equal to a and 1/y equal to b. Okay, 1 and 2 will change. 2a plus 5b equal to 1/4. So 4 into 2a plus 5b equal to 1. 4 2s are 8a plus 4 5s are 20b equal to 1. Equation 3. Now this one we have to change. So equation 2, 3a plus 6b equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore 3 into 3a plus 6b equal to 1. 3 3s are 9a plus 6 3s are 18b equal to 1. Fourth one. Now we have to make this same. We can make variable a same. So 8 into 9 and 9 into 8, which is 72. Let us do it. So we will write subtracting equation 3 and 4. So here is the first equation is 72a plus 80b equal to 9 and 72a plus 144b equal to 8. Minus minus minus. So cancel it. 36b equal to 1. So b equal to 1 upon 36. Now this we have to substitute in equation. Substituting b equal to 1 upon 36 in equation 4. This is your third equation. 8a plus 20b equal to 1. Value of b is 8a plus 20 into 1 upon 36 equal to 1. So 9s are and 5s are, 4 5s are. So 8a plus 5 upon 9 equal to 1. 8a equal to 1 minus 5 upon 9. So 8a equal to 9 minus 5 upon 9. 8a equal to 9 minus 5 is 9 minus 5, 4 upon 9, and a equal to 4 upon 9 into 8. 4 1s are, 4 2s are. Therefore a equal to 1 upon 80. Now got the value of a and b. Now we have to substitute here. So 1 upon x equal to 1 upon 18 and 1 upon y equal to 1 upon 36. Therefore x equal to 18. Therefore y equal to 36. Got the value. Now what they are asked, the number of days taken by a woman equal to 18. Therefore time taken by one woman alone to finish work is 18 days and by man is 36 days. Question number 3. Ruhi travelled 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. Now she travelled 300 km. Total distance is 300 km. By half she travelled by train and partly by bus. She take 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train. Now if she travels 60 km by train, that is take 4 hours and remaining by bus. Okay, so total is 4 hours. Now if she travel 100 km by train and remaining by bus, now if she travel 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she take 10 minutes longer. Means 4 hours already she had taken. Okay, plus 10 minutes. So 4.4 hours 10 minutes. Okay, total hour is 4 hours 10 minutes. Find the speed of train and the bus separately. Now we have to find the speed of train and the bus. So first we will suppose the speed of train and the bus. Let the speed of train equal to x kilometer let the speed of train be x kilometer per hour. Okay, and the speed of bus be y kilometer per hour, and given total distance equal to 300 kilometer. Okay, total distance equal to 300 kilometer. Now what you had given, that given distance travel by train which is equal to 60 kilometer. Okay, for the first case 1, for the first case, distance travel by train equal to 60 kilometer and distance travel by bus equal to 300 minus 60. Why 300 minus 60? Because rest kilometer she travel with bus. So 300 is total distance from home. Okay, so 300 minus 60 which is equal to 240 kilometer. Okay, 240 kilometer it is there. Now time taken, total time taken is 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours she had taken. Now we know one formula, that is time equal to distance upon speed. Okay, this formula we know. Now what we have to do, first distance is 60, so 60 upon speed is x, so 60 upon x plus by bus is 240 and speed is y which is equal to 4 r. Let us solve this. 60 common, 1 upon x plus 4 upon y equal to 4. After that 60 is there, so 1 upon x plus 4 upon y equal to 4 upon 60. So 4 1s are and 4 15s are. Okay, therefore 1 upon x plus 4 upon y equal to 1 upon 15. First equation. Now for the another equation, case 2. Now case 2, distance travel by train equal to 100 kilometer and distance travel by bus, that we have to find out. So total minus 100. Okay, so which is 200 kilometer. Time taken which is equal to 4 hours 10 minutes. So which is equal to 4 plus 10 upon 60. We'll convert in R. Okay, so 0 0 cancel. After that 4 plus 1 upon 6 which is equal to LCM 6 6 4s are 24 plus 1 upon 6 which is equal to 25 upon 6 R. Okay, this is your time, total time. Therefore first what we have to do for forming the equation, distance is 100 upon x plus another distance is 200 upon speed is y equal to 25 upon 6. Okay, therefore 25 common, 4 upon x plus 8 upon y equal to 25 upon 6. Therefore 4x plus 8y equal to 25 upon 6 into 25. 25 cancel. Okay, therefore 4 upon x plus 8 upon y equal to 1 upon 6. Second, now we will suppose 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. Now 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. Therefore first equation become a plus 4b equal to 1 upon 15. This is third equation. Okay, now for the second equation, what we will write? 4a plus 8b equal to 1 upon 6. So this is fourth equation. Okay, now what we have to make? Same variable. So 3 into 4 and equation 4 into 1. So what we will write? Subtracting equation 4 from 3. Okay, so what will the equation 3 become? 4a plus 16b equal to 4 upon 15, and equation 4 is same, 8b equal to 1 upon 6. Okay, so what? Now this one is, minus, minus and minus. This one is cancelled. 16 minus 8 is 8b equal to 4 upon 15 minus 1 upon 6. Now this we have to solve it. Make the LCM same. So 8b equal to LCM of 15 and 6. So that is 2, 15, 3s, 3, 5s, 1s and 5 1s. So LCM of 15 and 6 is 3 2s 6 and 6 5s 30. So 30 we have to make. So 4 upon 15 minus 1 upon 6 is there. Okay, so 6 into 5 and 15 into 2. So what will it become? 4 2s 8 minus 5 upon 30. Therefore 8b equal to 8 minus 5 upon 30. That is 8 minus 5 is 3 upon 30. Therefore 8, 3 1s are 3 10s are. So 8b equal to 1 upon 10. Therefore 8b equal to 1, b equal to 10 into 8. Therefore b equal to 1 upon 80. It is 10. Okay, so we got the value of b. Now we have to find the value of a. So what we will write now? Substituting in equation 4, b equal to 1 upon 80. Therefore 4a plus 8 into 1 upon 80 equal to 1 upon 6. 8 1s are 8 10s are. So 4a plus 1 upon 10 equal to 1 upon 6. So 4a equal to 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 10. 4a equal to 6 and 10. So 6, 10, 2, 3s are 5s are, 3 1s are 5, 3, 5, 1, 1. So LCM is 30. LCM equal to 30. So 6 5s are 30 and 3 10 3s are 30. So 5 minus 3 upon 30. So 4a equal to 2 upon 30. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 5s are. Therefore 4a equal to 1 upon 15. So a equal to 1 upon 15 into 4. Therefore a equal to 60. 1 upon 60. Now we got the value of a and b. Now we have to find value of 1 upon x, 1 upon y. Now 1 upon x equal to 1 upon x equal to a is 1 upon 60 and 1 upon y equal to b is 1 upon 80. Okay, so x equal to 60 and y equal to 80. X and y. Got the answer? So at last we have to write the statement. The speed of the train is 60 km per hour and the speed of the bus is 80 km per hour is the answer. Thank you for watching this video.